What is amblyopia?
Amblyopia, also called as lazy eye, is a disorder of sight due to the eye and brain not working well together. A child's vision develops in first few years of life. It is important to diagnose and treat amblyopia as early as possible. Otherwise, a child with amblyopia will not develop normal healthy vision.
What causes lazy eye in children?
The causes of amblyopia can be any condition that interferes with the vision development during early childhood. Normally, the brain uses nerve signals from both eyes to see everything clear, but if an eye condition makes vision in one eye worse, the brain starts to turn off signals from the weaker eye and rely only on the stronger eye.
What are those common eye conditions causes of lazy eye?
One is strabismus, that is squinting. This is when the eyes point in two different directions. One eye may be focused straight ahead while the other turns in, out, up or down. To avoid seeing double, the child's brain may learn to ignore the eye that is not focused straight ahead. Second is refractive error. Having a refractive error means having a spectacle power. If a child has refractive error that is more in one eye, the child's brain may turn off that eye and vision will not develop properly. Third is cloudiness in the normal clear parts of the eye. Some children born with a cataract where eye's normal clear lens is cloudy. This can keep vision from developing properly in that eye. Fourth is droopy eyelid, that is ptosis. Can block vision in child's developing eye and lead to amblyopia.
How to spot signs of amblyopia early?
In some cases, parents don't know their child has amblyopia until a doctor diagnoses it during an eye checkup. That's why it is important for all the kids to get a vision screening at least once between age of 3 and 5.
What is the best age to treat lazy eye effectively?
The brain and eye connections are most flexible and responsive to the change during early years of life, particularly from birth to around age 8 years of life. This period is considered crucial for visual development and the ability to correct the amblyopia. While treatment is still possible in older children and even in adults, the chances of improvement of vision significantly diminishes with the age.
What are the treatment strategies?
Glasses, patching, penalization, that is using some eye drops like atropine, will help, but they don't always train the brain, where the vision therapy comes in, where we use different tools, techniques and few softwares to make the weaker eye stronger. We work on vision stimulation, anti-suppression, focusing ability, tracking skills, both eyes coordination.
What are the benefits of vision therapy?
Vision therapy strengthens the weaker eye, teaching both eyes to work together, boost depth perception, focus, reading skills.
Why it is important to treat amblyopia?
If left untreated, the brain may eventually ignore the visual input from the weaker eye, leading to permanent vision loss. Treating amblyopia will enhance the binocular vision, leading to better depth perception and three-dimensional vision. Treatment can help individuals avoid potential limitations in career choices, social interactions, and it affects self-esteem. Don't just patch it, train it. At Netra and RSA Vision Therapy Clinic, we specialize in children's eye care, offering compassionate and advanced treatment for lazy eye, squint, double vision, and also cataracts, nystagmus, and many more conditions in pediatrics.